So this type of networks like a LAN, MAN, CAN, WAN is based on the geographical range or size. This depends upon the geographical size or a range. Based on the geographical range or a size. For example, you have a room and you have a devices and you connected these devices to LAN. Okay. For example, you have the range. Actually, the LAN range is here. I have a picture. I am not drawing anything now. Okay. Okay. A single room or a entire floor or entire building. The LAN range is from single room to single floor to single building. The entire building, that the LAN geographical size is a building size. That is a LAN, local area network. Next one is CAN, campus area network. Campus area network. What is campus area network? If you take a university campus, college campus, some organizations campus like Tech Mahindra campus is there, TCS campus is there, Cognizant campus is there, like that. Campus means different buildings for different departments. You tell me, someone is trying to speak. Okay, guys, again, campus area network, CAN. Okay, I have different buildings. Each building is think like a one LAN network, and you combine all these LANs together and make it as a very big network. But within the campus, you can able to communicate within the campus only. Your geographical range is campus range. That is campus area network. Campus area network. Next one is MAN. Next one is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Metropolitan Area Network means like a city. What are the metropolitan cities are there? Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, and Chennai. These are the four metropolitan cities. And other cities, big cities, not at metro status, we didn't get it. Example, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Metro trains are came, but metro status is not came. Gurgaon, that is Delhi anyway. It comes under Delhi area only. Ahmednagar, some not Ahmednagar, Gandhinagar, I think so. I didn't see in those things. I know Bangalore, Pune, and Hyderabad. Okay, I have seen Bangalore and I have seen Hyderabad. Okay, still metro status not came, so no problem. But whatever it is the metros is there, a metro stay status is there or not, man is different. So in other countries like US is the main country, right? So they have a lot of metro cities. So they follow earlier days metropolitan area network. So they define metropolitan area network. It does not mean if it is a metro city, we should have a MAN network. No, no, no. Okay. So they define MAN means metropolitan area network means it is a very big city and lot of people are there. So lot of buildings, lot of departments in that one. For example, mayor offices will be there, port rooms are there, police department, fire department, hospital departments. Okay, they need to communicate. Normal people may not communicate, but they have to share information. Why we need a network? To share information, to access information, right? To share information, to access information, to communicate to one to another one, right? This is what we are doing. Communicate means we are sharing something. I'm sharing information. That's what I'm doing communication. Sharing views or sharing informations. This is sharing of data, sharing of resources. That is what we are trying to say. Okay. So to do these things like a sharing of information or sharing of data or sharing of resources, we need a network. Okay. If the network, the size is up to a city, that is a metropolitan area network within the city, not more than city range. Next is wide area network. Next one is wide area network. Wide area network. Okay, what is a wide area network? So different cities in the different places in different geographical locations. WAN is a global network, guys. It means it's networks of network. If you are able to communicate from your PC to somewhere located, your organization like that are, so that is a WAN. Through WAN we are communicating. Okay. Okay, we are having an office in Hyderabad. We have an office in Extranet. We have an office in New Jersey. We are communicating our servers. Their servers will communicating each other. Okay, so from WAN connectivity, using WAN connectivity, wide area network. It is a global network. From any geographical point to any other geographical point, we can able to communicate through WAN network. Of course, we are all communicating through WAN. We are using google.com, facebook.com, youtube.com. That is through internet. How internet works? Through WAN connectivity. These are the main type of network, guys. It's a type of networks. So local area network, campus area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. Out of that one, guys, there is some other area networks are there. So one is a PAN and HAN. Okay, personal area network, home area network. Some other type of networks also came into market now, but I like these two things. That's why I'm adding. Guys, these four are standard area networks as per the textbook. These are not standard one, which is added additionally. Okay, but four are important: local area network, campus area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. Next, other networks, which is also important, that is personal area network. Means it's your network. It's your network, your personal things, like you are connecting your mobile phone to your headphones, to your goggles, to your wearing kind of stuff, smart clothes, smart shoes are there now. If you walk, it will count your foot kind of stuff, right? Number of steps. Realme shoes also came, right? So you are connecting your devices. Okay, that is a personal area network. Home area network. Home area network means in your home nowadays we have a smart TVs. We can connect it to internet, so then we can watch movies from Netflix, Amazon Prime, like that. Smart TVs are there, smart LEDs, smart ACs, smart home appliances. It's like smart ACs comes under that one. We can control, we can voice controlling things using a Alexa, Echo Dot, smart plugs also came. You can turn on, turn off devices, smart refrigerators, smart washing machines. Okay, so everything is become smarter. Okay, so we are all connecting together, but within the home only. Within the home only, we are connecting this, and we can control these things within the home. That is home area network. Okay, of course, while you are searching for area networks, you will find this name also, SAN. Guys, SAN is not a regular network. It is even not a network. The name is like that, but it is not a network. SAN is a storage solution. Data will be stored in the SAN storage. Data we want to store a data, we store data in a SAN storage. Okay, SAN is a storage access related. It is enterprise solutions. Only certain organization use SAN type of network. SAN. Okay. But in the SAN they use mesh topology, of course. Okay. There is a different device like storage servers, storage devices will connect as a one single network. That is a SAN storage network. Okay. Storage area network. Okay. So it is not comes under regular networks, but it is separate. So guys, this is the local area network, campus area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network based on the size or a range of a geographical range or a size. What is the geographical range of WAN? It's a global. Okay. Is understanding?
Yes, sir.
Very. Again, it's very simplification. LAN means it's a local network, your private network only. Okay. CAN is a campus area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. WAN, global network it is. Okay, it is a kind of public network. There is a three things, guys. One is intranet, internet, extranet. This extranet is, I'm not going to tell, just it is there. This much. No problem. So I will take it. Yeah, this is the better. Okay, intranet, internet, and extranet kind of stuff is also there. Okay, local area network, wide area network. Okay. Guys, look at here. I will tell about intranet and internet kind of concept. Are you able to hear? Guys, my
Yes,
voice
sir.
is clear? Yeah, very good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, think like this. Intranet means nothing but a LAN network only. But it is also an important point is there in the intranet. So I have a devices are connected, a simple LAN. Okay, so maybe you got a doubt like, sir, we are using Wi-Fi now. Wi-Fi, all these things are same only, guys, but small differences are there. Okay. This is a wide connectivity, just for understanding example only, the traditional model. Okay, this is a hub or a switch we are using. We know that one already now. It is a device. Okay, like this. So to show you simple LAN, this is our simple LAN network. For example, guys, I have some web server is there, some server. I have a PC one. I have PC two. Okay, so this is my network. Now I want to communicate from PC1 to server. How to communicate? Packet travel from here to here. I said, no, this is best. I have a server and I have a one PC, PC1. I have a PC2 and PC3, for example. And they are connected. They are connected. So it is a one simple network. Just I'm trying to say. Okay. Now I want to communicate from C1 to It's my server. Do you need internet kind of concept? Like I have to go to Airtel or Geo for get, I need to get internet? Not required, right? I have to communicate through this one only. Okay. Or maybe I want to communicate C2 to C1. I want to communicate from C2 to C1. I can communicate directly. I don't require any device to go out of my packet. Think like this, guys. You sat in a single room. You guys are sitting in a one single room. Okay. To communicate each other, you don't need to go outside, right? You need to go outside. No need to open the door and back, right? Uh, okay. Okay. So within the room, if you are communicating, you don't require to open the door. No need to access some outside resources, right? No need of phones. No need of any other devices. Telephones not required. Phones are not. Internet is not required, right? You can directly communicate. This is what we calling it as a intranet. Intranet. While you are communicating within the LAN, like I'm accessing this server directly without internet. This is intranet. You guys understand what is intranet? I'm communicating to my server. I'm communicating from this to this one. How I'm communicating? Like this, directly. Okay, I'm communicating directly. Okay, so I'm communicating like this. This is intranet. Now this PC2. Okay. Name is not enough, so this is like this. But this is one want to access something google.com. Actually, you should write a. I will make it more easier. Gmail.com. Okay. Okay. I want to PC1 want to access a Gmail. This Gmail server is located inside this one. Okay. This Gmail is inside this LAN communication, inside this LAN. No, right? It will be in the different location. This is my Gmail server. So this is the Gmail server which is located somewhere in this world. Somewhere in this world, this is Gmail is there. Gmail server. Okay. And no one is speaking. I'm getting bored. Okay. How to access? How to access this Gmail server from C1? Any idea?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Very good. So from which part? This part or this part?
Sir, the question you asked.
Okay. I want to access the Gmail. Initially, first point is I want to access this server A from PC2. So I don't require internet kind of stuff or any other directly. I'm accessing through this switch. Okay. But PC1 want to access the gmail.com and gmail.com not located in your location. Okay. Inside your location, it is not there. inside your LAN. It is outside of your LAN, means somewhere it is geographically different location. Now, how you access Gmail? How you access
Through
Gmail?
the internet?
Yes, very good. That's the part.
We have to switch to WAN connection.
Means we need internet.
Yes, sir.
Simple, right? Without internet, we can't access anyway. You want to go outside, you have to go outside from your network. That is, you're going from your LAN to your WAN. Okay, you have to
Yes,
connect
sir.
it to your
Through SQL.
internet. Yes, very good. Through ISP. ISP, Internet Service Providers are there. Airtel, Geo, okay, U Broadband, so many are there. ACT, ISP, Internet Service Provider is there. Okay, you have to connect it to ISP. So you subscribe to ISP, what will happen? So you can able to connect ISP. So then you can reach gmail.com. How you connect? How you connect from here to there? Okay. Okay. Space is not enough. That's why trying to arrange all these things. So how you connect from like this? To connect ISP, we need a router and a modem. Through modem, we are connecting. Okay, this is a
Yes,
modem.
sir.
This is a modem. So through modem, we can connect it to ISP. Modem is used to connect your ISP. Okay, and what happened? Modem is make a connection to ISP like it through telephone cables or a fiber optical cables, like using telephone cables, fiber optical cables. Nowadays we are getting a fiber optical connectivity, right?
Yes, sir.
So then it is fiber optical cables. We are connecting through fiber optical cables. Yeah, I will remove it, don't worry. So we are connecting established connectivity. So then we are getting internet to modem. And it is a single connectivity in our home network. I am talking, guys. This is called a single office, home office type. Okay, in a enterprises level, they are using different approach. Okay, this is this part. Okay, so we are cutting internet, but in this one, we got internet up to modem, but this internet should be make a connectivity to these devices. To communicate from your local LAN network to outside of network, you need a router. You need a router. R means router, otherwise you can write a router. You have to increase this size. One second. Hello. Yeah, tell me. From what is it? VTI. Okay, okay, okay. So what is your organization? Please tell me. Times Grow. Times Group. Okay, it's a old one. Okay. I know it. Okay. Mhm. I'm currently working, full-time working is there. Okay. So which location it is? Online. Okay. Mhm. Actually, I am not available. Okay. If I know, I will try to give any contact. Okay. So once if I found anyone, what is your name? Shilpa. Okay. I can provide the training, but I'm full busy with the full day work in the training only. Okay. If I get anybody in contact, then I will inform. Same number, right? Okay. Sorry, guys, and it is on record. Okay. Sorry, it's okay now, Pala. So we are. This is a router. So I want to go outside, like PC1 will communicate to this Gmail now, like a PC1 to this switcher hub to the router to modem, modem to internet, ISP. Then ISP will send your packet outside, and there is a lot of routers in the network because it's a WAN, right? So a lot of routers. Okay, and finally it reaches your Gmail server. Finally, it reaches Gmail. What happened? Right now. So from your PC to your router to modem, modem to ASP, and then it will reaches. Some routers are there in between. Means that is a internet routers, guys, not our home routers. It is both works in different ways. What happened? What is this psycho thing? It is working like this. Now it is working. First two times I draw very neatly. Now it is gone. Now follow. Guys, understand now? PC1 able to open Gmail. So how many things it has to cross? Okay, guys, this is one network, local network. Now we are able to access internet through routers and modems. So we are accessing outside of network. We are able to access outside of our network through this interface. Through this interface only, we are able to access, right? This particular interface. We are able to access outside. So that we call it as a default gateway. That we call it as a default gateway. Okay. So of course, this device you already know, switcher hub kind of stuff. Okay. Just understand up to here.
Yes, sir.
Very good. One more addition I'm doing. These are wide connectivity. Okay. So what about if in case I have a wireless devices? For example, I have a phone is there, mobile phones are there, laptops are there, laptops are there, like wireless devices. I have a mobile, I have a laptop. Okay, like this. I have a wireless devices are there. So I'm removing this for size purpose. Okay, just for our understanding. Okay. So of course these are connected. This one or this one like this directly connected. Okay. So okay. So This is my wireless access point. Wireless access point. Wireless access. No, better write AB. I can increase a little bit now. It's a wireless access point. And these devices are getting network to it. These devices will get a connectivity from wireless access point. Okay. Guys, this session of part is like this. This is a session of part, right? This is what I'm trying to say is WLAN, wireless LAN. You connected devices wirelessly with a wireless access point. That type of LAN it is WLAN, wireless LAN. Okay. Here you are connecting. This is your intranet. This is your intranet. Okay. This is completely LAN network only. Okay. This is your LAN network. Generally, your local network is a LAN network, wired or wireless. But for wireless network, we put a name called a wireless LAN. Okay, we put a name called a wireless LAN. Okay, and this much dotted thick lines not required. That is enough. Okay, so these are the point, guys. LAN, WAN, LAN. This is outside network. This is your private. This is public network. How we are connecting routers, modems, switches, wireless LAN kind of stuff. Okay, so what is internet? It is a global and public. What is intranet? It is a private network. Yeah, this has become very bigger. 6. Okay. Internet I'm not explain because it will confuse you and it will confuse me also. So one more thing I want to add here, because there is a small space. And what is a default gateway? What is a default gateway? So when you require to communicate outside of your network, when you are trying to communicate outside of your network, we need a default gateway. Through default gateway, we are accessing. Router is act like a default gateway. Okay, in generally act like a default gateway. The default gateway IP address is router IP address in these cases. Okay, it is the point. I will put it separately. Yeah, I will to make it cancel this. Okay, so what is a default gateway? When we require to communicate outside of network, we need to send the packets through default gateway. Okay, so guys, you may get a doubt, sir, I never seen any of modem, router, switches, wireless access points. Okay. Any of wireless access point. So I will tell you why you didn't see. Wireless access point are used to connect. Used to connect wireless devices. You know already wireless devices, right? If you connect devices, wireless, it's called WLAN. This is WLAN, wireless LAN. But everything is LAN. Okay, that's a small change. Okay, guys, what is all these things available? You know, you have a Wi-Fi router. If you have a Wi-Fi router, generally, not all Wi-Fi routers. Generally, we are telling. Okay, this Wi-Fi router is your modem. It built-in modem is there for WAN connectivity. For WAN connectivity, internet connectivity, modem is there. Okay, if you observe, try. Next one is it is a router. Of course, it is a route between your WAN and LAN connection. Route between WAN and LAN connection. And it is a wireless access point. Wireless access point, which is connects your wireless devices also. And it has a built-in switch. Okay, LAN ports are there. Sometimes it can be a hub. Okay, wireless LAN can be having a switch for connecting wired devices. Plus your router also. Okay, your Wi-Fi router also act like a DHCP server, DNS server, and default gateway. So you don't require any separate default gateways. Okay, so these are the main, your one single Wi-Fi router is doing all these works. So that's why you don't see in our home the hub and switch setups, router setup, modem setup, wireless access point setups. We don't see. Why? Because of we have a Wi-Fi router, we'll have all the things inside. Okay, guys, got the point?
Yes, sir.
So that's it. Yeah, how to tell about actually I want to tell about different devices, but anyway, I don't break the class. So I will go to explain what is NIC today, just now. Okay, to connect the devices. NIC, what is NIC, what is MAC address on NIC, wired connectivity, wireless connectivity. I will tell now. Then we will go through. Tomorrow, I'm going to explain about the cables and different devices, networking devices, like that we'll go. So today we'll go to continuation. Up to this one, we will continue. Guys, already I told all parts, okay, where it is. You want a network connectivity. You want to create a network. You want to communicate in the network. You want to create a network. You want to communicate in the network. What we need a NIC, network interface card, to connect in the network. Next one is we need a cables to connect in the network. If it is wireless, no cables, right? If it is a wireless communication, we don't use cables, but still we are using cables in some networks. Networking devices, we need to connect. We want to connect the devices, right? And communicate the devices between them. We need a networking devices and protocols. What is a protocol? I said a server, right? This is a server. I didn't mention which server it is, but this is Gmail. Gmail means mail server. Mail server, like you're sending a request to mail server to see the mails. How server understand what is your request? What is your request? How can I understand? Right? You want to send a request, like how can I understand what is your request? I can understand the language, right? I can understand the language, but how server can understand? By protocols only. How devices understand what is the type of communication is by protocols only. Okay. Next one is logical addressing. You want to communicate to someone, they should have a name, right? I should call to someone, they should have a name, right? So like that, we need a IP address. So this is you should learn one by one, but now I will try to give you NIC, network interface card. First one I will try NIC, network interface card. Okay. See like this. I will give you not this one. Connect devices in network. To connect a device in the network, the devices must have NIC, must have at least one NIC, must have a NIC. To connect a device in the network, the devices must have NIC. Okay. Okay. Connecting means either wired type of connection or wireless type of connection it is. Whether it is a wired type of connection or wireless type of connection. Okay. So these NICs, different names are there, guys. Okay, different names are there, like a network interface card. Okay, is also called, in olden days we call this one as a LAN card, because that time we are LAN way communication, not a WLAN. Wireless connectivity is very less. That's why it is in olden days we call that one as a LAN card, Ethernet card. It's an adapter. Okay. NIC is a network adapter. So called it is a network adapter. It is also called as LAN card, Ethernet card. Guys, in these Ethernet cards, we have three different things are there: Ethernet, fast Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet, MGB, this is enough, right? Then Mbps speed of connectivity. Fast Ethernet is 100 Mbps, Ethernet 1000 Mbps, or 1 Gbps Ethernet. Okay, so different type of Ethernet cards are there. Okay, these Ethernet cards are Ethernet, fast Ethernet, gigabit. Model is different. The olden days we are using Ethernet. Now we are fast Ethernet and a gigabit Ethernets are there. Okay, it's a wide type of connectivity. Wide connectivity, and it is look like this one. Okay, wide connectivity, and also we'll try to show you this. Okay, this is a where RJ45 means the cable will connect here. This is will go to your machine. Okay, I will show you for laptop also. RJ45 laptop. Okay, so this is the laptop port. Can you see? This is the LAN port. The wire will goes to this one for laptop connectivity. Like this.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah, so I'm saying NIC is installed inside the laptop.
yeah. It is
Yeah.
on board NIC. Like even a desktop also, you buy a new desktop, so you can
Yeah.
see directly port. So earlier days we need to add this NIC card in the desktops, but it is
Yeah.
built in on motherboard, directly built inside a motherboard only. On motherboard NIC it is.
Yeah.
Regular motherboards also I will show you. RG45 port on direct motherboards. It is directly on a motherboard. So like this. This port will be like this, RJ40. So earlier days we had to insert. Now also we can able to insert. It's directly on motherboard. You can connect. So no need to insert separate Ethernet kind of stuff. Okay. So this is how we can connect. This is laptop. This is desktop. This is how NICs look like. So otherwise I will keep it both as side by side. So you won't get a dot. This is how actually Ethernet is look like. So I'm giving you one more drawing, guys. So already we know this drawing. So what I'm trying to say about NIC, that is I'm trying to say, like here it is. I have a device and I have some other device. Okay, either I have a switch or a router kind of stuff. For example, I have a switch or a router. Okay, something I want to connect through wirelessly, wide way. Okay, for example, this is my switch. I want to connect from here to here. How to connect? This is A, this is B. First of all, we need to connect, right? What they need to connect, they need a NIC like this. Okay, they need a NIC. Without NIC, we can't connect like this. The devices must have a NIC, and we are connecting from this NIC to these switch ports. Okay, inside we have another port is there. So I will show you how it is look like. It is not moving, it is smaller one. I will draw. Okay, this is also having a RJ45 port numbers. So what we do connecting from here to here, from here to here. Like this. Then only a network will be formed. It's a wide type of connectivity. Okay, wireless devices also need a NIC. Wireless devices also need a NIC. Okay. I'm writing wireless kind of devices, how it is look like, the connectivity. So they need NIC, same picture, only difference is the wires are not there. Okay. For example, you have a mobile phone, you are connected to Wi-Fi. How you connect? Inside the mobile phone, there is a Wi-Fi chip. You have a laptop, and you have a laptop, you are connecting to Wi-Fi. How you connecting? Inside wireless NIC is there. Wireless related NIC is there. So you can see it is a Wi-Fi card or adapter. Different adapters are there. Not TV, not TV, not at all TV. So like this. This is a desktop-based wireless devices. You can see. So TP-Link. If you have a desktop and you want to connect wirelessly, then you can use this one. It is not moving up. Now it is there. Okay. So this is how you insert this one. Same way it is, you have to insert this one. Built in we can't see, right? Built inside you can see. So another one is this type. Okay. So USB TP-Link connectivity is there. Like USB adapters are there to connect Wi-Fi. So just for example, yeah, this. Just anything, just how many ways we can connect. Just I'm trying to go through that. Okay, so to connect the devices wirelessly, also additional things we are connecting. And also I'm drawing a one small drawing. Okay, then I have to tell about NIC, right? Okay, yeah, small parts and switches. Okay. This is a wireless device. How they will communicate. So it's a wireless device. Wi-Fi, wireless AP or a Wi-Fi thing we are connecting, right? Wireless access point or a Wi-Fi. Just I'm giving Wi-Fi. Why we should give different names? This is A, this is B. Now they need a NIC. Whether it is built-in NIC or some additional NIC it is. It can be built-in NIC or some additional NIC. Okay, so additional NIC means which you are inserted, like USB, this type of kind of stuff. They need a NIC. So built-in wireless NIC. So we don't connect. So no need of voice. Simply wirelessly we are connected. My mouse incorporation it is. Yesterday laptop incorporation, now it is mouse incorporation. Uncorporation. Incorporation. Okay, so wired device, wirelessly. Remember this, guys, whether it is wired or wireless network, we need a NIC to connect in the network. Okay, next, yeah, I need 10 more minutes. Every NIC or a network adapter, whatever the name you put it, every NIC has MAC address. Okay, what is MAC? What is MAC? Media access control. MAC address, also called as physical address. So I'm putting this point, guys. IP address is logical address. Okay. IP address is a logical address. MAC address is physical address or a hardware address. MAC address is 48-bit. Okay, and represented in full hexadecimal. Represented in full hexadecimal. Okay, example how it is look like this 00 3D. Okay, hexadecimal having a other kind of stuff, guys. All hexa, 3 hexa completed. So sorry, 6x are completed, and remaining is there. Okay, this is how hexadecimal number, something example. Okay, MAC address is unique address which is not repeat. Not repeat means no two devices having same MAC address. No two devices having same MAC address. MAC address cannot be changed. MAC address cannot be, we can't change the MAC address. We can't change the MAC address. Okay. So again point, guys, remember IP address can changeable. You can change IP address. Next, MAC address assigned by manufacturer of NIC. Who manufactured that NIC? He is putting that MAC address. That's why we can't able to change. Whereas IP address assigned by address assigned by may assigned by manual means a user or admin. Manual or automatic. Automatic. Okay, it means by DHCP server. Automatic means DHCP server. Okay, guys, what I told, this is secondary part. I'm telling about MAC address, but I'm telling also small point about IP, because IP and MAC differences will cover here. Okay, 1 or 2 points. So this is main about MAC address, guys. MAC address is a physical address. It is 48-bit, 12 hexadecimal. Okay, it is a physical address. Media access control. MAC address is also called as a physical address. MAC address is a 48-bit represented in 12 hexa number. Example of MAC address. Okay. No two devices having same MAC address. Okay. MAC address cannot be changed. MAC address is assigned by manufacturer of that NIC. MAC address. Use a command in the command line. 2 things, guys. One is a get MAC. Another one is ipconfig/all. Okay, these are the things. In GUI mode means graphical user interface. You have to go to run. Okay, go to search and run ncpa.cpl. Okay, you can figure it out. I will show you these directly when I'm telling you about how to check IP address. So tomorrow I will tell how to check IP address. Then I will show you directly how it is there. So little noise is there now because lunchtime. Okay, I can't able to show you now. Okay, of course it is there. It is there. how to check IP address kind of stuff. Okay, that's it for today, guys. So compulsory read yesterday, today notes. Okay, that's important. If you complete these things, it is easy. In a last at the end time, you won't get much time because once communication class is started, both morning and afternoon you are busy. Okay, and you have to prepare additional time is available. You have to prepare for version test. Now it is the time to finish. Okay,
Sir, is there class on Saturday or not?
tomorrow we have a class. I will inform if any changes, but tomorrow we have a class 10:30. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.